Welcome to Best Western Plus St. Louis Westport, your gateway to comfort and convenience in the heart of St. Louis. Each room is thoughtfully designed with amenities like free Wi-Fi, microwave refrigerator ironing board, so you can feel right at home. Start your day right with our complimentary free breakfast, enjoy outdoor pool, guest laundry, exercise facility, and business center, free parking. When you're ready to explore, you'll find the best of St. Louis just minutes away, like Busch Stadium, Missouri Botanical Garden, Hollywood Casino St. Louis Gateway Arch. Book your stay today directly from BoatPlusLouisWestport.com and discover the best of St. Louis. For hotel booking, visit our website, clicking the link in the video description below.